The Tiger Sport 800 stands apart from the off-road capable 888cc Tiger 900 models and the now discontinued Tiger 850 Sport. Unlike those, which featured Triumph's T-plane triple crankshaft, delivering a parallel twin-like exhaust note, the new 798cc triple uses a unique blend of the Tiger 900's engine, with a shorter stroke, and the high-revving Street Triple 765 Screamer crankshaft timing. The result is a thrilling, high-revving engine that delivers strong top-end performance. It produces 113 horsepower at 10,750 revolutions per minute, 6 more than the Tiger 900, though peak torque drops slightly from 66 pounds-to-foot at 6,850 revolutions per minute to 62 pounds-to-foot at 8,500 revolutions per minute. Still, the 798cc engine maintains a broad, usable torque curve despite its more performance-oriented character. The Tiger Sport 800's chassis borrows its steel frame from the Tiger 660 but incorporates a new aluminum swing arm. Triumph re-engineered the frame to accommodate 3 44mm throttle bodies, replacing the single throttle body used in the 80-horsepower Tiger 660. Staying true to its sport adventure nature, the Tiger Sport 800 features generous suspension travel, 5.9 inches front and rear. Up front, there's a 41mm inverted Showa separate function cartridge fork with adjustable compression and rebound damping. The rear Showa shock offers rebound damping and spring preload adjustment, the latter via a remote hydraulic dial for quick and easy tuning based on load. Designed as a capable sport touring machine, the Tiger Sport 800 comes standard with cruise control, a hand-adjustable windscreen, integrated side deflectors, and self-canceling turn signals. Optional luggage solutions are thoughtfully designed and well integrated. Triumph's chief engineer, Stuart Wood, anticipates that most buyers will opt for the accessory hard saddlebags, priced at $640. These attach via seamlessly integrated mounts in the tail section, use ignition-matched keys, and offer a combined 57 liters of storage. They're also part of the GT Pack, which includes handguards and heated grips for a total of $1,156. A 47-liter top box and its mounting plate are available separately for $432. The Tiger Sport 800 strikes a refined presence in person, featuring sleek, uncluttered lines and a refreshing lack of the excessive styling found on many modern motorcycles. Its bodywork looks contemporary without veering into flashy territory. The rear section is especially neat, integrating grab handles and discrete saddlebag mounts with impressive subtlety. Instead of relying on a bulky muffler to meet emission standards, Triumph uses an under-engine collector box ahead of the rear wheel to handle most of the noise reduction. The stainless steel headers flow into this chamber and exit through a compact, side-mounted stainless steel silencer, minimalist and tidy. Instrumentation is carried over from the Tiger Sport 660, featuring a combination of an upper LCD display and a 2.7-inch color TFT screen below. While not as striking as the Tiger 900 7-inch TFT, it offers Bluetooth connectivity for turn-by-turn navigation, call and message alerts, and music data through the Triumph connectivity system. Triumph also highlights the Tiger Sport 800's low ownership costs, boasting best-in-class service intervals, 10,000 miles or 12 months, and valve checks not required until 20,000 miles. A 2-year unlimited mile warranty covers all components. According to Triumph, the Tiger Sport 800 is designed to deliver a perfect balance between thrilling sports performance and long-distance touring capability. That claim will be tested in the real world. The bike's 4.9-gallon fuel tank provides an estimated 236-mile range in mixed conditions, and with a full tank, the bike weighs in at 471 pounds. Before setting off, I asked Triumph's chief engineer, Stuart Wood, which bike he'd choose for this ride: the excellent Speed Twin 1200 we reviewed recently or the new Tiger. Although proud of the ST12, Wood chose the playful Tiger. Fittingly, the typically wet British weather followed us to Portugal, offering the perfect conditions to try out rain mode. Unlike many rain settings, the Tiger's version applies relatively relaxed traction control and softens throttle response only slightly. The cockpit is an inviting place to spend hours. The Tiger offers an upright and commanding riding position with adverb-style ergonomics that allow the rider to shift posture easily on long journeys. Its long travel suspension smooths out rough pavement, and wind protection is excellent for a bike without a full fairing. The hand-adjustable windscreen adapts easily to rider height and changing weather. Surprisingly effective are the small side fairing panels, which did a remarkable job shielding my lower legs from rain, keeping everything above the boots dry. The Tiger Sport 800 dives into corners with ease and precision, aided by its wide handlebar that provides excellent leverage. The Michelin Pilot Road 5 tires offered solid grip in the wet and instilled even more confidence once the roads dried out. A 6-axis EMU powers a comprehensive suite of electronic rider aids, including lean-sensitive ABS and traction control. Triumph notes these systems are not only reactive but also predictive, delivering smooth, well-timed interventions. While comfort and responsive handling are expected in this class, what truly sets the Tiger Sport 800 apart is its sporty personality, borrowing much of the Street Triple's lively spirit to become one of the most engaging sport tourers I've ever experienced. Triumph's new 798cc Triple shares the vocal charm of the 765 engine but adds broader, more accessible power. It pulls cleanly from as low as 3,000 revolutions per minute in any ride mode, and first gear is rarely necessary, even on tight corners. Third gear easily covers a wide speed range, from 25 to 75 miles per hour, without effort. The real excitement begins as the revs climb past 7,000 revolutions per minute, delivering a muscular surge that intensifies all the way into the 5-digit range. This may be the highest revving engine in the sport touring segment, and it's made even more fun by a light slip/assist clutch and one of the smoothest quickshifters available. The chassis complements the engine's athletic nature perfectly. The Tiger remains stable and composed, even when pushed like a sport bike, offering sharp, confident steering. Among all current sport tours, this might just be the one I'd most want to take to a track day. Braking is handled by radial mount, 4-piston monoblock calipers gripping twin 310mm discs, supplied by J1, a name with less cachet than Brembo, but surprising in performance. They deliver strong, consistent stopping power. Braided steel brake lines offer a solid lever feel, and overall braking capability is more than up to the task. Back at the hotel, I had another chat with Stuart Wood and shared my admiration for the Tiger Sport 800's impressive versatility, equally at home commuting, touring, or carving up twisty roads. When I called it the practical hooligan, he laughed and agreed, saying I captured its essence perfectly. The Tiger Sport 800 occupies a compelling niche in the market. It's powerful enough to keep up with larger bikes but comes in a more compact, user-friendly package at a price that's within reach for many riders, starting at $12,495. While the more affordable Tiger Sport 660, priced at $9,695, offers a friendly introduction to the segment, its performance can't touch that of its 798cc sibling. BMW's F900XR is a reasonable alternative. It shares a similar look and price point, but it's hard to imagine performance enthusiasts choosing its 105 horsepower parallel twin over Triumph's lively triple. Yamaha's Tracer 9 is also a strong contender, with a 3-cylinder engine and nearly identical pricing. It even includes standard saddlebags and a 7-inch TFT display. Still, the Tracer's bold, futuristic styling may not have the same broad appeal as the Tiger's sleek, refined design.